Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss equivalent trigonometric expressions. Here in this picture, or in this, we have sin x, which is equivalent to all these quantities. So when we simplify this, in place of this tangent x, if we write down sin x upon cos x, and cos x with the denominator cos x will cancel and sin x will be there. Similarly for other values. So this is tangent x, this is cos x, this is sin x upon cos x. Cos x will cancel sin x, cos x, and sin x will cancel this numerator sin x. So in this way we will again reach this value. Similarly for other values. Similarly for cos x we can find the other expression. For tangent x we can draw the other relationship. We can simplify to obtain this tangent x of cos x. So we can draw this kind of picture for cos x and tangent x. So this kind of things we are discussing in exercise 9.7, and this is very important. And we take left hand side or right hand side and we just prove that both are equal. So this is part A. Sin x upon tangent x is equal to cos x. We'll take this left hand side and we'll prove this. Similarly for this. So let's start this question number 9.7. This is proof. Sin x upon tangent is equal to cos x. We take this left hand side, sin upon tangent x, sin upon tangent x. And in place of tangent x, we write down the sin x upon cos x. So this is and we shift this in the upside here, and sin x upon cos, sin x is cancelled, and this is cos x. Cos x is this. So this is our right hand side. So we take this left hand side and that is equivalent to the right hand side. So it is proved. So similarly in part B, cos x sin x upon tangent x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So taking the left hand side, sin x upon cos x sin x upon tangent x, and in place of this tangent x we write this sin x upon cos x. The sin x will cancel with the sin x, and cos x multiply with this cos square x. So we left with this cos square x here, and cos square x is sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x, that is left hand side. So we take the right hand side, our left hand side, and we obtain the right hand side. So it is proved. Similarly, this part C, 1 minus sin square x upon cos equal to cos x. Taking left hand side, this is cos square x, cos x divided by this left. Okay. So left with this D part, cos square x minus sin square x, cos x plus sin x equal to cos x. And this is A minus B square. So factorize it. Cancel cos x minus sin x plus sin x, and we left with this cos x minus sin x plus sin x. So only cos x. So left hand side is equivalent to right hand side. So E part sin square is this. So taking left hand side and simplify, and we have this sin square cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x, 1 plus 2 sin x plus cos x, that is right hand side. Now taking this part, similarly for this cos square x minus sin square x, question number 2, 2 cos square x minus 1 left hand side, and from left hand side we have proved that this is right hand side. B part, cos square minus sin square x, 1 minus, taking this left hand side and right hand side. Simple. Just trigonometric identities are used. In place of cos square, this right is 1 minus sin square x. Simplify it to obtain this. This is cos square x, so this is sin square cos square x, cos x. Taking left hand side, so taking cos square x common, sin square cos square x 1, so this is cos square x right hand side, and simplify this and eventually obtain this 1 minus cos square x, that is given to right hand side. Let's solve this part F. Cos square x plus sin square x is equal to sin 4 power 4 cos square x. Taking left hand side, cos square x plus sine square x. This is cos square this. So this is 1 minus sine square square plus sine square square. So we simplify it, 1 minus sine square x sine square 4. So this is a minus b whole square. We open this and this will cancel. 1 minus sine square x, which is cos square x, and this is sine square 4. That is equivalent to right hand side. Prove this, cos square x minus sine square x divided by this is equal to this. So taking factorize it and we just obtain this. From this left hand side, simplify and we have obtained this 1 over 2 upon sine x. In the part C, cos square, cos 4 power 4x minus sine power 4x. This is left hand side, and taking a square minus b square and a minus b, a plus b, this one. Since this is 1, so this is cos square minus sine square. So we can write down cos square upon cos square and sine square. So this is 1 and this is tangent square. So left hand side is this. Similarly, part B, sine square upon cos square, 1 minus cos square x, 1 minus sine square x, tangent 4, taking left hand side, and from this is tangent square, and this is sine square, this is cos square. Again, this is tangent square, so tangent 4. This is our right hand side. So that's all from exercise 9.7. In the next session, we will discuss exercise